We make everything. So everything that we say we'll make, we actually make it.
Basically all the projects that we work on are maintained electronically on our computer. Like, we do not discard of electronic files for probably at least 3 years, and they are kept in print form, like in an actual physical file that we develop throughout the process for a minimum of 6 months after installation, just to ensure that the project is 100% completed, especially in large projects or new builds. It is many weeks, sometimes months after we are out of the project that the whole construction is completed.
So we have 100% control of the design that goes into the manufacturing, then the production plans, and the actual execution.
There's countertops, appliances after us, painting to be finished, electrical fixtures to be installed. Having continuously different trades, different teams throughout the house can damage cabinetry, require some cabinetry to be modified along the way, even if it has been installed as per plans. So that's why having the file and having everything manufactured in-house gives us more control even after installation.
So what I would say to somebody that is looking for the perfect service when it comes to custom cabinetry, all millwork, is that we make everything. We do it. We don't just buy it from somebody where we know a shop that can make it for us. We make everything that leaves our shop is made by us in-house.